It's been an absolute minute since we had the nkobe, mtakura, whatever you call it, the khobe. Ah, they look so good. Oh my gosh. I'm sure they taste as good as they look. Mm, they're delicious. I'm celebrating my nkobe. Mm. You won't believe that we're eating this in the heat of the day. The weather has been absolutely ridiculous. One day it's freezing, one day it's cold, one day it's hot. Oh my gosh, it's extremely hot today. When one comes to harvest, the whole family comes. Check it that. They're still growing. They've been here for a long time, I mean. Hiya. I need to sit somewhere. Which is why I was asking you if you're not putting water to harvest. Oh, look at that rotten one. Once upon a time it was big. I see a baby one here. They're just here. There's one here. There's another. Yeah. The whole family is literally here. Look at these big ones. I hope these ones are not eating beans then. Everyone is here.
Oh, bye.
Alright guys, there you have it. Our mini potato harvest. Hey Fiki, what you gotta say, boy? It's good? Yep. I thought so. Guys, let me tell you something. And people who love to play golf, come rain or shine, they want to play golf. So we had an arrangement to play golf today with Amon, and I had agreed. But it's been extremely hot since yesterday, and I actually had a headache yesterday from the heat. I slept with that headache, woke up with it, went to church with it. I only feel better now, to be honest. And so I chickened out of the playing golf in the heat. And what you call? And Amon is playing.
I'm practicing to go play.
He's practicing to go play. Are you fixing a cup of
For you.
Cola, tonic, and lemonade. Yum, yum. It's so fun. You can't find a Sprite that's not a Sprite Zero. I was looking for a proper Sprite because I love sugar.
It needs to be stirred.
It needs to be stirred. So I'm going to sit in the car and watch him play. And so anyway, he's practicing some. What are you practicing? Yeah, hitting balls.
Yeah.
And then after hitting balls, he wants to go to country club and play in the hot sun. Guys, it's extremely hot. Extremely.
Huh?
It's extremely hot.
That's okay.
I know you haven't played in a long time. I literally brought golf shoes. Amon packed them for me. He was so kind. I packed pants. He got me a golf shirt because he wants me to be on the green with a collar. Those are golf rules, but I don't usually obey them on Sunday because nobody's there. But yeah, no, it's too hot. I'm checking out. You know the other thing that's my problem?
Yeah.
Because I don't play golf often, I always forget a cap. And you always remember to get a cap, but you never.
Remember yours?
You never remind me.
I thought yours was in the car.
No, I went walking with it. My one and only cap. I went walking with it the other day, so it's not in the car.
Yeah.
We're at the golf club just now because that's where he wanted to play initially. And there were so many cars in the parking lot. And then we found out that there's a game called Nomads. You play by invite, not you don't just play Nomads. Anyways, yeah, it was quite full. And so now he's come to practice hitting some balls at the driving range. And then we'll go to the country club where he's going to play. Tell you, Amon has been complimenting himself over here. He says he's figuring out he's still good. I'm trying to show you how much meat I'm actually eating.
Huh?
So Amon wanted some decent steaks. And this guy at the butcher offered him skinny steaks for $5 for 9 pieces. So he says the guy was pretty chuffed with himself for giving him the skinny steaks. But he actually wanted a proper steak. But hey, 9 pieces is a good deal for $5. Hey guys, I wanted to show you what we have in the garden. So we've got corn. It looks like a blade of grass. This is corn. This is the plant. And we're watering. So the other side where so they're everywhere on these holes. Okay, let me carry on. So the sweet corn is on this side. And they're still like a blade of grass. Sabonan.
Which is the critical size?
Yeah, it's bigger. The maize, you can see it from a distance.
Like the maize comes out from the ground already healthy.
Where is it? Yes, I see. How many had you asked him to put?
2.
Two. Yeah. So this the what do you call? The sweet corn seed is expensive, and you can only get them in small packets here, I guess, unless if you were to order them online. And maybe you can find places where they sell them in bulk online that they sell for farmers. Yeah, but locally you can only get them in small little packets, and there are always few in a packet. And
they're like 8 in a packet.
Yeah. So when he was busy painting that side in the city, he asked someone to plant for him. And now he's discovering some of the holes he planted 5-5, 4-4. And the thing is, it's not easy to transplant and put it in a different hole. It's a waste of seed because it means you have to pluck out the others and throw away. They don't know Amon is precious about his seed.
That's the thing with coffee. In case you drink water the whole day.
This is the makomanis when they are still small. And there's one here. So you are mixing it with the maize?
Yeah.
Mm,
Because they are more ground cover.
yes, I know that. But sometimes their trail is on the maize and they choke it.
That's true.
I saw the last maize that we had planted there.
I think what they want to do, they don't want to be planted at the same time.
Yes, I think so. When you give the maize a chance to grow first,
Grow first,
and then you can plant it.
and then you